how to schedule a channel message or a chat message to send in the future. Let's say I have a post I want to put out here. So here's my message, and I want this to be delayed when I hit post and come out later. If you go to the plus menu, you can choose schedule message. And you want it to go out later, so we're going to have this go out on New Year's Day at 8 a.m. Hit continue. And now it says select post to deliver it on Thursday, January 1st at 8 a.m. I can go and cancel this if I want, but I'm ready to post, so there we go. It says sending on Thursday, January 1st at 8 a.m. You can also do this in chat. So if I go to chat, here I am in chat with Megan. I'm going to go down to the message area, and there is my message about the cover sheets. If you hit plus, I can say schedule message, just like I did in the channel. A bonus in chat, if you right click on the send button, it pulls up when to send it. So I'm also going to send this one on January 1st and send. If you want to keep up with all the latest Microsoft updates and tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get all the latest videos that I post.